Hello, today we are going to solve one comprehension type question from UGC NET paper 1. In this question we are given one passage, and from this passage we need to solve one question, and we are given four options and we need to find the correct one. So let's start. Unquestionably, a literary life is for the most part an unhappy life, because if you have genius, you must suffer the penalty of genius, and if you have only talent, there are so many cares and worries incidental to the circumstances of men of letters as to make life exceedingly miserable. Beside the pangs of composition and the continuous disappointment which a true artist feels at his inability to reveal himself, there is the ever recurring difficulty of gaining the public ear. Young writers are buoyed up by the hope and belief that they have only to throw the poem at the world's feet to get back in return the laurel crown, that they have only to push as a new light in literature. You can never convince a young author that the editor of the magazines and the publisher of the books are a practical body of men who are by no means frantically anxious about placing the best literature before the public. Nah, that for the most part they are mere brokers who conduct their business on the hardest line of a profit and loss account. But supposing your book fairly launches, its perils are only beginning. You have to run the gauntlet of the critics. When you are a little older, you will find the criticism is not much more serious than the byplay of clowns in a circus. When they beat around the ring to the victim with bladders stung at the end of the long poles. A time comes in the life of every author when he regards critic as comical rather than formidable, and goes his ways unheeding. But there are sensitive souls that yield under the chastisement, and perhaps after suffering much silent torture abandon the profession of the pen forever. Now the question is, young artists aspire to, the first option is equate themselves to established authors, remain content in their work only, achieve glory by the merit yet always in a hurry, and the last option is become critics subsequently. Okay, now as mentioned in the passage, young authors aspire to remain content in their work only. Okay, as we can see that from these young writers are buoyed up by the hope and belief that they have only to throw the poems at the world's feet to get back the laurel crown, that they have only to push as a new light in literature. Therefore, this portion of this passage shows the answer. Therefore, the correct option is the option B. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.